It is possible to use your Android cell phone as a hidden audio and video recording device. This can be useful for some emergency situation or simply to save battery. Because at the time of recording in this mode, the screen will be off, but with the camera and microphone on and recording, with this function you can also switch from front camera to rear camera with the volume keys, besides being able to set the date and time to start hiding recording. To make use of this, go to Play Store and search for Quick Video Recorder. Once unloaded and opened, you will find different options and settings. You will simply find the record button. Once the recording has started, you can lock the phone and the recording will continue in the background. Once the recording is finished, you can review it on the three lines on the top left in the gallery section. In the same section, you can find the editor to cut the video and settings to set if you want to be notified when a recording has started and finished. If you want it to vibrate when the recording is stopped, and also the set video output folder, and if you want to enable the pause and continue buttons during the recording. In the upper right part, you will find a small clock. There, you can set date and time to schedule the recording on a specific day. Also, you can set if you want it to be a front or back camera, and also you can define if you want it to be a daily task and the duration of the video that can be minimum 1 minute and maximum 30 minutes. Remember to use this function responsibly and request authorization from people before making any recordings. This function can help you mainly to have evidence of some task that you do daily, for example having a class or meeting of work, and you need to record it for your own academic resources, because thanks to the automatic programming it's not necessary that you put it to record manually, but you can establish in advance the task of recording daily and at the defined time.